slide and play. P is for penguin, waddle away. Q is for quokka, smile so bright. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, light. S is for seahorse, swish the sea. T is for tiger, 1, 2, 3. U is for urchin, tiny and round. Dancing animals all around. V is for vulture, flap, flap, flap. W is for wombat, clap, clap, clap. X is for Xerus, jump up high. Y is for yak, reach the sky. Z is for zebra, zigzag fun. A, B, C, yay, yay, yay. We learn letters today, today. Stomp your feet, clap your hands. Come and dance with animal friends. A, B, C, sing along. Learning letters with a song. Bye-bye now, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job, little dancers. You're ABC Animal Superstars.